What's the single most effective daily practice to improve as a rapper? Obviously, this is nuanced because everybody's in a different place on their rapping journey. And so what you may need to work on to improve may be different than what someone else needs to work on to improve. But I'm in a unique seat or position because I've been training rappers from the ground up for the past 11 years. And so I see what most people struggle with. And most people struggle with the musical side of rapping. So like by the time they come to rapping, they already have a lot of experience writing. What most people don't understand is the musical part. And so that's why for most people, I would prescribe them to focus on the musical part. Focus on ear training, hear beats, be able to do different rhythmic music notes, such as the 4/8/16 count, and get into scatting, get into mimicking lots of different musical patterns that you hear, not just rappers use, but rappers specifically, but you could also be learning melodies and singing and stuff like that. Like just get in the habit of learning musical patterns, recalling those musical patterns over different instrumentals, establishing your rhythm to different types of instrumentals, different genres. Like that's what I would probably mainly focus on, because that's what most people are struggling with the most. Let's say you don't have any issues with the musical side, then I would start focusing a little bit more on the writing side at that point. You know, how well are you doing communicating your thoughts and expressing yourself through the songs? Are you able to write a good song? It's one thing to be good musically, it's one thing to be able to rhyme and all that type of stuff, but can you write a good song? That's a different skill. And so I would get really busy writing, like just creating, and that's anything. Like you can go back and watch my first video on YouTube and compare it to my more recent videos, and you'll see there's an obvious progression in the videos just from doing it. And so like every single thing I complete, I learn little things and I keep evolving as I just keep doing. And if you want to level up your rap skills, grab the Rap Essentials bundle, which has 3 free rap courses packed with all the core lessons you need to perfect your craft. And the best part, it's 100% free. Just hit that link in my profile like it stole something from you to get instant access.
God, you hit me!